The grown-ups are up to something this morning. Today is the 15th of August. It is India's Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day!
Mummy? Daddy? What are you wearing? Cake? Cake!
Today is India's birthday. It's called Independence Day. And it's a holiday.
What's
Independence.
Independence. What does that mean?
Independence is when you can do things on your own without any help.
Why is that important, Daddy?
It's a part of growing up, Bubble. And it makes us proud to see you become independent.
Like when you brush your teeth independently, it feels great, right?
From now on, I shall do everything independent.
Come on, kids. There is a celebration downstairs with a large kids zone to play. Come on, come. Let's go.
No, Naz. I will swing on my own. Huh? But I always push the swing for you. Yes, but now I will do it independently. Oi, Bubble, independent is no fun. Let Naz push you. See, Maddie is going so high. No, I told my mummy on my own.
Here, Bubble, let me push you.
No, thank you, Auntie Ayar. I will do it independently.
Well, that's wonderful, Bubble. I'm proud of you.
Aha. Grown-ups seem to like independent kids. Nice try, Maddie. Shall I show you how to get it right?
No, thank you, Uncle Kapoor. Independently.
Wow, that's super, Maddie. Looks like all the children want to be independent now.
Stop copying me, Maddie. It's India's Independence Day. You were copying India. Now I'm copying you.
Bunny, shall I send Bubble to seesaw with you?
No, Auntie Kapoor. I want to seesaw independently.
Independently. Okay, now that's great. But it's a bit tricky to seesaw alone.
I will still try, Auntie Kapoor.
Good luck, Bunny.
Happy Independence Day, India! I see that all the kids have understood the meaning of independence today. So, what shall we promise to do on our own from now?
Wait, I'll tell you. I promise to brush my teeth independently twice a day. In the morning and at night.
Yay! Well said, well said.
I promise to change my clothes independently. I promise to feed my dogs independently every day.
Well said, then.
I promise to finish my tiffin in school independently every day.
Bunny.
So did you all enjoy the movie? Yes? It's about being independent. What do you mean by being independent? by doing our small daily routine things by ourselves. Yes, we all are now 3 years and 4 years. So we can do small thing on our own, like brushing our teeth. Yes, brushing our teeth ourselves will make us independent. And finishing our tiffin when we are in the school, or when mama gives us breakfast, eating it ourselves and trying to finish it, that's going to make you independent. Yes, so let's promise to do one task, one thing in a day independently from today. Okay, very good. So now it's time for us to start our event. Are you all ready? Yes? To start with, we have the first performance by Aparna Verma. She's going to present a dance. And she's all ready with her costume. Can we all welcome Aparna? Yes, let's clap for her. Ma'am, would request you to please share the sound. In Zoom, you can go to share screen, advanced options, or you can play it in the speaker, the song. Once you go to share screen, it is advanced. When you go to, you can see 3 tabs are basic, advanced, and files.
Just a minute, Aman.
Yeah.
In the advanced option, you will find music or computer sound only.
Okay. So is it inside? No, inside the more option. Inside more.
Once you click the share screen button, sir, do
Okay,
you
yeah,
see
yeah.
3 tabs? 3 tabs are there: basic, advanced, and files.
Mm-hmm. I can see
Screen,
share
screen.
screen. Yeah. Yes.
Just
got
click
it.
the share screen button, sir.
Yeah. Got it.
Yes, you kindly select the advanced tab and click computer sound. Yes, Aparna is getting ready for her performance. And after Aparna, we have Shamika Datta. So I want Shamika to be ready for her performance. Yes, the second one is by Shamika.
So I can see. So when I'm sharing the screen, I'm seeing the first time setup, which is asking me to open the settings, control center, customize the control, and plus add for screen recording. So I think I have to do.
So now have you logged in on the browser or through app?
Through app.
Through app. Okay. So when you, do you see a share screen green color button down?
Yeah. We are doing the share, then screen.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Share screen. When you click on that, there is a window that pops out, right?
Yeah. The first time setup.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's asking you to set up, is it?
Yeah.
For me, it pops out as basic, advanced, and files, and I share music or computer sound. Then, can you?
Let me play on my phone.
Okay, ma'am. Can you try that? We will see if the volume is
Okay.
how we can hear it. Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear it clearly.
Okay. इनको दिख रही है।
Very good. Can we all clap for Aparna? Yes? That was an amazing performance, Aparna. Well done. And she's dressed up like an army officer. Yes, army, the strength of our country. Yes, they protect us on the borders from all. Yes, they are always standing over there so that we all can stay here peacefully. They play a very important role and are the heroes of our nation. Well done. Now, the next performance, I would like to call upon Shamika Datta, and she'll be singing a song for us.
Stand up. Start.
Start.
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sufalam Malayja Shitaram Shashi Shamala Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Prajosna Pulagitaramani Fulakasumita Drumita Shomani Sohasini Surabashini Damayaba Mataram Vande Mataram Mataram. Thank you.
Can we all clap for Shamika? Very good, Shamika. That was really nice. You know which song is this? Ridhima ma'am told us this is our national song. Yes? This is our national song. We learned it. Yes, very good. And you're looking very, very cute in that outfit. I really like
Thank you,
it.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now, the next one we have is Arman, and he is going to say a few lines about India.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to Happy Independence Day, Day 1. Today I'll talk about my country, India. It got its freedom on 15 August 1947. National flag of India has green color, national white green, and the flag. National anthem of India
Very good, Arman. That was really a wonderful speech on India. Can we all clap for Arman? What did he talk about? What did he talk about? He spoke about our country and the flag. Yes, Akshita, I see a flag in your hand. He said there are 3 colors in the flag, right? Which are those 3 colors? Saffron, white, and green. Yes. And what is that circle on the flag, Akshita? You have a flag with you, right? What is that circle on the flag? What is it called?
Grand Chakra.
Ashoka Chakra. And how many spokes it has?
24.
24. Yes, it has 24 spokes. And Arman also told us about the national animal. Who was that? Who is that, Viraj? Who is a national animal which Arman told us about? Tiger. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Well done. That was really, really a nice speech on India. You know, this year, it is our 73rd Independence Day. Yes, 73, because we got independence on 15th of August 1947. And there were many, many superheroes and national leaders who really fought very, very hard to attain this freedom. Yes, we got the freedom because of many national leaders. One of them is Mahatma Gandhi ji, the one which you saw on the Indian rupee in Ridhima Ma'am's session. Yes, you all know, right? You saw a picture of Shri Mahatma Gandhi ji. Yes, he's also called as Bapu, the father of our nation. Yes, very good. Now, I would like to call upon Agam, and Agam is going to sing a song for us.
Hello.
Hello everyone.
Say it loudly.
Hello everyone. My name is Gulshan.
Say it loudly, beta. Hello. Yes. Hello, everyone. Okay. Start. Bolo.
Yes, Agam, come on. Let's go for it.
Everyone.
Hello everyone. My name is Agam Simpson.
Today,
Today,
on
this
73rd
73rd Sare Jaise
Independence Day,
Independence Day, I will sing Sare Jaise.
say it loudly, beta. अगर मैम will not मैम को सुनाई नहीं देगा बेटा.
सारे जैसे अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हम बोले हैं इसके ये गुरसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हो संदर पर्वत हो सबे से ऊंचा हम साया आसमां का वो संतरी हमारा वो पासुआ हमारा हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा.
Ma'am, were you able to hear?
Yes, yes, we were able to hear. Very good, Agam. Well done. Can we all clap for Agam? Yes. Sari jahan se acha.
बोलो.
भारत माता की जय.
Bharat Mata ki jai. Yes.
भारत माता की जय.
जय हिंद. बोलो.
जय हिंद.
जोर से बोलो.
जय हिंद.
Happy
Independence Day.
Very good. Can we all clap for Agam? Well done, Agam. That was a nice introduction and a very nice song. Yes. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, I want all of us to sing with me. Sare Jahan Se Acha, Agam sang for us. I want we all to sing together. It's a small world. Yes, we are learning that rhyme. That is also about India. We are going to sing It's a Small World before we go on a break. And we have some more performances which are coming after the break. Yes, we are going to join back again and see our other friends performing after the break. So before we go on the break, can we all sing together? It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fear. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fear. There is so much we share, that is time we are aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Please repeat with me. There is just one moon and a golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. Very good. And now the other one. Yes, wave, wave, wave the flag. Wave, wave, wave the flag. Hold it very high. Wave, wave, wave the flag. Hold it very high. Watch the colors gently wave way up in the sky. Watch the colors gently wave way up in the sky. March, march, march around. Hold the flag up high. March, march, march around. Hold the flag up high. Watch the colors gently wave way up in the sky. Watch the colors gently wave way up in the sky. Very good. Well done, everyone. Yes, Aditya, that's really a nice hockey stick. Yes, what is that? Can you tell your friends, Aditya, what is that in your hand?
Hockey stick.
Hockey stick. And do you know hockey is our national sport? Yes? Chak De. Yes, Chak De India. It's a national sport. Very nice. Very good, everyone. We had wonderful performances. Let's give a huge round of applause to everyone. Yes, we will now join again after break. And we will continue our celebration of Independence Day. So I'll see you all at 9:40. Take a short break, drink a lot of water. Yes, go to washroom if required, and let's come back again. Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you.
Yes, Trishika, you want to say something, Trishika? Yes, beta.
Break time, I also sing.
Yes, I know. You are there.
After break.
Yes, after break, I'll have your
Then
name.
break. After time, I
Yes.
sing.
Yes, you're going to sing a song. After the break, Trishika is going to sing a song for us. Yes? Yes, you are there in my list, beta. After the break, we are going to sing. Yes? I know you're looking very nice in that dress. Bye-bye.
Bye.